Battery problems are the most common cause of Mercedes-Benz key fob issues, affecting 30 to 40% of cases. To test the battery, use a multimeter to check voltage. Synchronization errors account for 20 to 25% of issues and occur after battery changes or due to interference. Smart key malfunctions make up 15 to 20% of cases and may stem from software glitches or hardware failure. Rule out simple fixes before assuming complex issues. DIY fixes are supported by Mercedes, but professional diagnostics may be needed to avoid warranty problems. Let's get your key fob working again. Start with simple fixes. Replace the battery, clean the contacts, and try resyncing through your car's menu. For smart keys, ensure your Mercedes Me app is up to date and Bluetooth is enabled. If these don't work, consider more advanced solutions. Relay attacks are a rising concern. If you suspect hacking, contact your dealer for firmware updates with anti-relay features. For recurring issues, check for OTA, over-the-air updates addressing thermal or software glitches. Keep in mind, key fob technology is evolving. Consider digital key options via Apple Wallet or Google Pay for a more secure, battery-free solution. If problems persist after these steps, consult a certified Mercedes technician to prevent immobilizer issues or ECU damage.